How to get Fortnite on iOS, iPhone, and iPad. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get any type of Fortnite game on your iOS, iPhone, and iPad. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to quickly go over to your App Store. And once you go over to your App Store, you're going to click on search. And here we're simply going to go ahead and write Fortnite. And once you write Fortnite, we're going to quickly go ahead and search it up. Now, obviously, it depends on your version as well. Like as you can see, I get PUBG and stuff, but I don't get Fortnite. That's probably because my version of the iPhone is a bit outdated, but you can also find it over here. So you can just write Fortnite App Store, and if you write that, you're gonna see that it's gonna give you Fortnite on their Epic Games website. So if you click on their Epic Games website, it's gonna bring you here. They're gonna ask you your age, just to make sure to give them the accurate information. And once you've done this, click on continue. And once you do this, it's going to bring you here. So obviously there's different, you could say, platforms to download it on. Or I'd say the best way to do it is just go on your app store, go and write Fortnite. And once you do that, just click on get, and that should download the game for you. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.